So in this video, we are going to see promises in JavaScript. In previous video, we saw callback here. To resolve callback here problem, there is promise. So what is promise? So one picture is showing on screen, you see, and then how to implement it. Just we are going to see it. Okay. So we are going to use a let keyword and this we declare variable let reach. How to create promise? So with the help of the promise constructor, we can get the power of promise. Okay. Fix to variable resolve and reject. Okay. Then const is reach equals to true. Then if then if it's reach is true, then then resolve resolve a reach successfully. Okay. Or else you can write reject. No, yeah, no, or I'm not like this. Okay. Now after that, just get that variable, then and get the data, the arrow operator, or is it just console log it. Yes, arrow data. Yes, console log also data. Yes. And catch the error. If we get any error, then catch it. Okay. Something went wrong. It's okay. Now run it. Now let's run it. Now let's run it. Yeah, yes, I did successfully. Now let's change the data to false. Let's try to run it. Yeah, something went wrong. Promise is fulfilled now. You can see here full detail of promise. Promise fulfilled. Uh, Here also one method that is finally. We have seen then catch. Now let's say finally. So finally it's a block that anyhow it's going to be executed. If it's error or anything else, it just execute. Let's see how. Console dot log. I am I am immortal ambition. Let's run it. Immortal. Okay. So that's how the promise works. Now let's see in our previous code. Yeah, right here the game got my favorite game function. Let's try this. This is the callback kill problem, right? Let's try on it. This promise. So create a function got remote callback and one got my favorite game. Okay. To create a callback here in function return promise. Return promise that take resolve and reject as an argument and arrow operator. Okay. Now in this, let's try for this also. Return. What is gonna return? It's gonna return promise. Resolve. Reject. Okay. Everything is fine till now. Okay. Now let's try on this promise dot remote dot game. This game. Let's give it that remote. What should I give them? Nothing, right? So we're gonna take remote is callback and so the lock got remote got one remote that return it's also return something now. So it return what? Got my favorite game. And this favorite game we give this game we give this remote to play that game. Remote. This is also a promise, then it's also game. This thing state game and in this arrow operator console.log playing game. Mm, okay, let's run. Okay, so I did here mistake. Promise I didn't write here new keyword. Without help of new keyword, we can't create constructor. We can't create object. And then the promise it's pending right now. Because tabular callback is not a function. Okay, something. Okay, here. So it's going to be resolved. That resolve what remote. It's resolve game. Okay, let's check it out right now. Promise pending. I got my remote. I got my remote. Got my remote. I'm playing my favorite game. Playing game. Okay, everything is good. If this fetch an error, then here we can write a block that is catch block. In this here, can specify error. If we got any error, then it catch it. Then it then log that error. Okay, that's simple. So here we did some like here we did like this rejected so that we can execute our catch block. I got my remote, it's rejected. So here we did a mistake, like we need to specify here that we are doing error, which type of error after the message and reject. So in reject, we need to specify here like the message of um, bad image, like this. It's running. So it's yeah, I got my remote, but error occurred, bad image. Okay. Give that error, why this error occurred? Error occurred due to bad remote. Right? Okay. Error occurred due to bad remote, like this. So that is this is promise. So there are also one thing we can use to avoid this then catch chaining. So for that, uh, in the next upcoming video, I'm going to tell you how to use asynchronous types of function to avoid this then catch type of chaining, so that our code will be more readable and easy to understand. Okay, thank you.